Whether you are watering your flowers, vegetables, or fruit trees, you will want the Amazing Garden Super Grower. Depending upon the type of plant, the Super Grower's energy water increases the abundance as high as 600%. Hard to believe? Look at the size of this garden tomato next to a normal slice of bread. It looks and tastes delicious. Now look at all of the lemons on the Energized tree next to the normal one. Because they grew so big and so many, they had to be picked because they were pulling the tree down. Can you guess what the onion farmer is thinking? His crop and his profits just increased 600%. Although the onion skin turned white, their texture, taste, and health were the same as the original, just 6 times bigger. Now it's your turn to see what the Garden Super Grower can do for your flowers and garden. Just go to gardensupergrower.com and get yours today and be amazed. On sale today.